If you're looking for something cute, easy to manage, and affordable that you can throw on and go, ladies, this is the unit for you. Okay, y'all, so this unit is from RPG Hair, and this is their short highlighted curly unit. As you guys can see, the hairline does come pre-plucked, the knots are bleached, and you have more than enough parting space. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to install this unit, different ways of styling it, and how easy it is to define the curls. Let's jump right into it. When I first pulled the unit out the box, I did go ahead and saturate it with water on the top just to activate the curls, and I also went on top of that with some of my mousse to help try and soften them up. Now I'm going to make this side part a little bit more curvy because that's just how I like my side parts. And I'm using some of the mousse to just help keep the hair flattened down at the roots, which is the way I like to wear my units. Doing this while the unit is wet helps alleviate the need to use a flat iron. So I am going for a glueless install with this unit. So first I apply my lace wig grip, and this is going to help me prevent having to deal with that line of demarcation that is usually present when wearing a wig cap. So at first glance, you guys can see that the unit looks great. And I love the fact that I didn't have to pull out the flat iron and I'm still able to achieve that melted look. I went ahead and added some of my concealer to the inside of the unit just to help the front of the lace blend more with my skin since I am wearing makeup. And as you guys can see, this unit is popping, the curls are popping, and she's almost ready to go. Now, since the hairline was so melted, I didn't want to bother that by adding any baby hairs. However, I did decide to add some sideburns to help go along with the curly vibe. Y'all get the gist. She's cute. I like her. Yeah, I like her. Now somebody help me find that Staples easy button, because that was easy. I did go ahead and I added some makeup out to my forehead, just so it blends in and that's not like that line of demarcation. But this is a really good lace. She's very different. I've never had a wig like this before. And considering I've been doing wig reviews for how many years, that says a lot. I always like when I get a different unit. They really stand out because you have to imagine this becomes redundant after a while. But okay, so now the deeds. Now this here, it does come like kind of, it feels like it has product on the top. Like it's kind of hard. You could probably see it looks so like not moldable. It's hard. So apparently they probably put product in the front. It's funny because there's no product in the back. The back is soft. Hold on, let me turn around and let you guys see the back. So the back is really soft, but the front is hard. And as I said, I'm guessing it's from product they put on this unit. If I wanted to wash it, I'm sure it's gonna wash off. Even if I spray it, I'm sure it's going to soften. Yeah, it is. It's softening. So they put some product in it, I guess, to help preserve the curls. But I wet it earlier. So apparently whatever they have in it, it reactivates once it dry. So I imagine you would probably have to wash it all the way out. But that's fine because I don't mind. It's helping the curls stay. And that makes it easier on myself. Okay, so this unit looks really good, but I decided I wanted to define the curls just a little bit more. So let me show you a really quick way of defining your curls that doesn't require a lot of work. First, you're going to take some conditioner, you're going to add it to the spray bottle, and you're going to saturate the hair with that conditioner water mix. Next, you're going to take a brush. I like to use my Denman brush, and you're going to proceed to comb the hair with the brush, and you have to repeatedly comb the hair. And as you repeatedly comb the hair, you're going to notice that the curls are naturally going to start to get defined on its own just by repeatedly combing and combing the hair. Again, you want to make sure that hair was saturated with that conditioner and water, because that's really what helps activate it. And guys, this is what the hair looked like once I was finished. I did let it dry a little bit, and as you can see, the curls are a lot more defined than it was initially. So I wanted to kind of spread the curls out a little bit. So I just started pulling on the hair. I didn't want to individually separate the hair because it does give it a different kind of look when you do that. I did go ahead and I added some bobby pins to the side of the hair just to get it off of my face. And I think I like that look a little bit better. What do you guys think? Y'all let me know in the comment section. I'm just playing with these curls because I'm trying to get it exactly how I want it. I wanted to have like more of a full look, but I didn't want it to be stringy. Guys, don't be afraid to style your hair, right? Get to know your hair. See what works for you. So for me, I kind of feel like the hair pulled away from my face complements my face a little bit more. The other way I feel gave more of an auntie wig vibe. It was still cute nonetheless, but I did feel like it gave a little bit more auntie. Now you're going to see, because I'm taking the bobby pins out just so to remind you on how it looked without it being pulled away from my face. So for me personally, I feel like that suits my face a little bit more. It helps it look a little bit more youthful. You have to play around with the hair and see what works for you. So right here, as you guys can see, I am trying to like pull it back a little bit in the middle. And like I mentioned, I'm just playing and experimenting with different styles. I wasn't really too hot about this particular look, but you're never going to know what you like until you try it. And don't be afraid that just because this unit is short that you can't style it, because as you guys can see, I am working with totally different looks with this short unit, and I think it's only about 8 inches. I'm not really sure. And right here you can see I contemplated for a second about cutting the hair on the side. I did go ahead and snip some of the hair off on the side. I didn't really cut too much because I can't truly get a good idea on how the unit looks on me when I'm filming and I'm looking in the camera. Always best to be safe than sorry, because once you cut it, you can't get it back. But I am really seriously contemplating cutting it shorter. You guys let me know in the comment section down below what y'all think I should do. But other than that, she's cute. I like her. I like her a lot. And I'm sure there's a lot of different ways you can style this unit. Y'all could get real creative with it. I just really appreciate the highlights. I have never had a curly highlight unit like this before. I like her. If you like her too, purchase link is going to be in the description box down below. Dolls, y'all already know I'm going to need y'all help naming this beauty. What do you think we should call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed in my last video. The new name, as well as the person who submitted the name, will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the Faithful fam, hit that subscribe button, join the family. And while you're at it, go ahead and check out my other channel, Being Faithfully Asia. And until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.